Hi, I am Superman Sharon Hartzog. I was nominated by Dana Gerald to take the Ice Bucket Challenge. I will be donating money to this cause, for it is needed all over the world and for my friends and family. As I was jogging this beautiful morning, I decided to nominate John William Hartzog, Sharon Beckett, and Terry Ladner. I made this part of the clip in slow motion so you could see the cold ice water in my face. I ain't scared of no ice. Signing off, Superman, Sharon Hartzog.